why I'm sighing. Why I'm sighing? Because I just fucking unboxed it and I forgot to take the video. And I cut my finger again with this stupid scissor. I cut my finger twice. Last time I cut my finger because of the unboxing video, and this time I did it again. Yes, I did it again. So let's just pack it again. Let me unbox it again. So this is box and it's huge. There's 2 pair of shoes inside. I ordered this for my friend and she's in China, so she cannot get it from she cannot get it in UK. So I ordered it first and I have to ship them back to China, you know. But she paid for it, whatever. I mean, I can give discount. I can give her discount from Farfetch. That's why she ordered from me. That's a trick, you know. So there are 2 pair of shoes. As you can see, there are 2 pairs of Gucci shoes. I wonder why the box, this one is bigger, this one is smaller. I mean the size are kind of same. Here's the receipt I just took out. Here's the receipt. Here's the shipping paper in case you wanna return those 2 shoes. You can return it. And here's the thank you note from Gucci. It says we look forward to assisting you again at Gucci.com. So which one you wanna see first? Let me just adjust it. Which one you wanna see first? This one or this one? Anyway, I can choose for you guys. Let's just see the smaller ones first. Yeah, smaller ones. Excited. Oh my god. Feels like I'm unboxing my own shoes, you know. So, ooh. You see the paper? Yeah, you see Gucci. That's paper. I mean, the quality of the paper is really good. The feeling, it's like touching money. It's like touching money, you know. So I hope I don't get my blood on the shoes. And here's the dust bag. Let's take the shoe out. Oh my god. It's pretty, it's pretty. It's so pretty, so pretty, so pretty. You can't see this. It's the star ones. It's a star. Star shining. So yeah, this is let's take this out. Take this one out. Yeah. So this is a pair. And here's this gray. This one is red. This one is gray. There's Gucci logo. There's Gucci logo here, and inside also a Gucci logo. The Gucci logo, and there's some tissues inside shoes in case it deformed when it's shipping. So Gucci got it covered. Yeah. This is 34, size 34. So it's so small. I'm wearing 40, so I cannot take those. I mean, the quality is nice. There are like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 stars on each shoe, you know. Yeah, let's just check the other one. This one is over. I'm so fast, I know. Let's check the other one. Yes, this one. Oh, I want to show you this Gucci handbag. I think it's for Christmas or something. Yeah, it's holiday 2018 handbag. It's pink. It's so pink. I mean, I don't like this one. I prefer the white and black color. I think this is too much. It's just too much. Don't you think so? I think it's too much, yeah. Let's open the second one. Ooh. This box is bigger. It's like men's shoes, you know. Ah, now I know why it's smaller and why this one is bigger. Because this is the men's sneakers. It's men's size, so it's bigger. I used to buy a pair of Gucci shoes, which is my size, and I remember the box is bigger. It's this big. When you open the box, there's so many, just different cards. I wonder why they have 4. It's like same. Actually, no. Yeah, I think it's responsibility card in different languages. It's just weird. So same paper, yeah. Same dust bag. Time for the shoes. Yeah, it's a B. It's a B. It's a classic B shoes. Yeah. And you know this this style of Gucci sells like millions pairs. Everyone is wearing this pair, you know. Whenever you see on Instagram, on some blogger, or when you go out in the street, many people are wearing these pairs, and some ones are wearing fake ones, and some are wearing originals. You never know. But I'm just showing you the original ones, as you can see. Here's red, and I think this pair is green. This one is green, yes. green and red and same. Same logo. Same detail inside. Same tissue inside. So the only difference is the pattern. This is B, the other one stars. I wanna compare those two for you guys so you can see the difference. See, this one's obviously smaller than this one. It's like boyfriend and girlfriend. So funny. So which one do you like? Do you prefer the stars one, or the B ones? Personally, I prefer this one but I never bought this one. I bought the other one. I can show you guys. Yeah, let me show you. It's just a huge box. I have to put it here so I can get my shoes. Yeah, this one is this is mine. These are mine. As you can see, it's different. It's quite different than the B ones. This is from their new collection, new winter collection. So that's why I chose this one, because not many people are wearing this. I don't need to worry about that too many people wearing this, and I still like special ones that make me unique, make me special. It's quite old. Yeah, I wore them many times, so it's become dirty. But anyway, I still like them. Yeah. So back to the unboxing. So please tell me which one you like most. You can comment below, and I will know what's your preference. and subscribe to my channel and give me some likes, maybe. And maybe you can also follow my Instagram. I post daily there. Yeah, I have so many pictures there. You will be surprised at how often I post, actually. So, this is today's video. See you next time. I need to fix my finger. Yeah, I really need to fix my finger. Goodbye.